Hello viewers, welcome to Crafty-noons. Today I am going to share a very easy and cute idea of making book cover and bookmark as well. So let's start with the book cover. Draw the circle with the help of tape and another circle onto it with the smaller tape. Draw the hairline and cut it. Cut 2 circles to make goggles and little bit bigger size of glitter sheet circles. Paste black onto glitter sheet. Now follow the steps. Cut the shape of lips onto paper and paste it. Now take white and black beads stickers and paste them around neck area. Now I am taking lace napkin to make the collar. Cut the outer part and paste it. Decorate bun and the collar with the beads. If you don't have this lace napkin, don't you worry, you can take any white paper and you can cut it in the desired shape. In the last, write down the quote of your choice. Our cute inspiring notebook cover is ready. Now let's move to the bookmark. For this bookmark, we will need black glitter sheet. Cut the cat and heart shape out of glitter sheet. Take a ribbon, paste the cat on one side and the heart shape onto the other. Paste the ribbon bow onto cat. Similarly, you can make the bookmark with popsicle as well. These are quite cute and easy to make. Hope you like both the DIYs. Please let me know in the comment section below. If you really like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.